G'day everybody, it's Carlos from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove a head unit and a screen from a 2017 MG. Tools you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Now we're going to start by using the plastic spudger first on this section down here. This whole part will come out. Grab it from the bottom and lever against it. There we go, and the whole thing will pop out. Okay, now that will expose two screws. You'll need to undo those two Phillips screws with your magnetised Phillips head screwdriver. Then the whole sound system should come out in one piece, like so. Okay, and there will be some electrical connections at the back you will need to take off, and they're keyed in with a little plastic loop like that. Peel it back, then squeeze it and pull it towards the front of the car. And there will be a great big plastic plug that will only fit in one way. To take that out, you'll need to push the middle pin like so and pull it out. Okay, now that head unit is now ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair. Okay, so the next section we're going to remove is this part here that houses the screen. You may be having some screen issues, you may not be. Now underneath here you'll find a little plastic cover there and there. Once you remove those, and you'll need to get a little plastic flat blade screwdriver or something in there to clip them out, it will expose 2 screws. So you'll need to remove those screws and then get under the dash, and you're going to unhinge it from the rest of the dashboard. Look at that, and out it comes. There will be 3 electrical cables. You'll need to press the little tab on the side to pull them towards the front of the car, and one over that side, which you will need to fold that one forward like so, and it will come out of that one there. Now we're going to disassemble this section to remove the screen. Okay, now that we've got the dashboard out, we want to remove the screen to send that off to Supertech Electronics for repair. Now on the back of it, if you turn it over, you'll have screws like that. They're a torque 8 screwdriver, and you'll need to remove all those screws all the way along, front and back. Once you've got those out, this whole section will separate. You'll need to put a spudger under there, then turn it over. And separate the 2 halves. From there it's just a case of undoing 1, 2, 3, 4 torque screws, and then you can send that screen off to Supertech Electronics for repair.